What's up everybody, Tony here with iTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at IBlason's case lineup for the Galaxy Note 20 regular and the Note 20 Ultra. They have a lot of cool cases. Sit back and relax, we're going to go through all of them, so let's get started. So the very first series we're going to go through is their Aries series. All of the Aries look just like this. They're just in different colors. So I'll go through the installation process the very first time, and then for the next colors, I'll just show you what they look like on the phone because the installation is exactly the same. So the way you're going to want to get into this case is at the very bottom here, you're going to want to pull away the case from this plastic insert. And then once you do that, you can kind of just pull the insert out. And then this is what's going to go over your phone. So here we have our Galaxy Note 20. We're going to go ahead and put this over the phone, just kind of snap it in place like that. And then we're going to pop it into the case. And then just work around the corners to make sure it's all snapped in. Take off our sticker here, and you are all set. So that's what it looks like. So it totally protects the back and the sides of the phone. The only thing you have to worry about now is the glass front. As you can see, it does have a little raised edge, so if you do put your phone face down, it won't touch the screen. Here we have our cutouts for our S Pen, the speaker grill, our charging port, and the mic. And then we have our power button and separated volume buttons, which I always appreciate. And then it's got a nice clear back, so you can show off the color of your phone if you do have some different colors, which is pretty nice too. And then as you can see, it does have a raised edge for your camera bump, so if you put it down on the back, it won't touch your camera either, so that's nice and protected. It's got rubber edges, a hard plastic back. Feels pretty good in the hand here. So I can't turn it on because this is a dummy unit, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. But I do have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I will show you how it works. Here is their ruddy color. It's a nice cool red. I think the red looks particularly nice, especially if you have a black phone. Looks pretty cool. And then here is the Aries Purple. This also looks pretty good, especially if you have the black. Okay, so here we have it on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So you can see I do have that bronze. That also looks nice with the black. There's also a protective lip for your camera, your buttons. You can easily get out your S Pen. No problem there. Your cutouts for everything. Buttons. Nice and clicky. Very responsive. Pretty cool. As you can see, I do have a glass screen protector on here, and it is lifting up. So if you happen to have a glass screen protector, it's probably not going to work too well with this case. You probably want to go with one of the film ones. But that is for the Note 20 Ultra. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at their Cosmo line. This is a lot more colorful. It does not have a clear back, but it also does have that same inlay that the other cases do. So it's definitely going to be seated very well in the case. You don't have to worry about it popping out, especially if it happens to fall. So the same way you got the other ones out, you do here. You just kind of peel away the bottom part, and then you just pull out the inlay and then put it over your phone. And we'll go ahead and put the phone back into the case. Okay, very easy installation, same as always. Here we have our cutouts in the bottom here, easy access to our S Pen. Microphone on the top. Still has that raised edge for your camera protection and for the front of the phone. And here we have our buttons are still separated, which I like, and they do protrude, so it's easy to find, so you don't have to hunt for it. These cases also do work perfectly fine with wireless charging, and I'll show you that as soon as I'm done. So this is the marble case. It does have a rubberized case. Feels nice and grippy. It does not feel slick at all, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. Feels good in the hand. So next up in the series is the Portoro. This one is new for this year. I haven't seen this color before, and I must say this is probably my favorite one. Looks really cool. Like the kind of like the gray inlay with the back. Looks pretty nice. Again, that's the Portoro. This one is the Amethyst. It's got a nice purple inlay. Got that nice purple back. Looks pretty nice. And this is the Ocean. Nice aqua color. Very nice blue. And then here is the Cosmo Series for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can see that raised bump for the camera, all your cutouts, S Pen's easily accessible, but as you can see it is lifting up my screen protector, so if you have a glass one, again, it's probably not going to work too well with this case. You're going to want to use a film one. Buttons are clicky. No problems there. So let's go ahead and check out the wireless charging. As you can see, no problems there. All of these cases that IBlason makes are capable of wirelessly charging without any problems. So that was the case lineup for the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All of the cases that you saw for the Note 20 regular are also available for the Note 20 Ultra. I will also be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.